In a lush green forest, a playful deer named Rohan loved to jump and climb everywhere, from rocks to bushes, shouting with his animal friends. "Run and jump, fast and fast. No one can catch me." But his parents always warned him, "Don't go too far. Stay where we can see you." The little deer just laughed and ran away, thinking, "Oh, I'm too fast for danger." One evening, while his family was resting, the little deer sneaked off alone into the middle of the forest. He climbed the mountains, sang with the squirrels, and wandered through the forest, until suddenly, he saw a shadow move. A hungry wolf stood there, his eyes shining, baring his sharp teeth. "What a delicious little deer," the wolf growled, approaching, slowly, slowly. Rohan's legs were trembling. Little Rohan's heart was pounding. "I wish I had listened to my parents," he thought, closing his eyes in fear. Boom! A loud noise startled him. His father's strong hooves hit the ground and his father jumped between him and the wolf. The wolf screamed loudly and attacked Rohan's father. A fight broke out between the two. The wolf wounded Rohan's father and wanted to kill him, but now little Rohan, who had been watching the whole fight and was trembling with fear, suddenly shook off the fear in his heart and thought that he had to save his beloved father's life. Thinking this, Rohan bravely hit the wolf's head with all his strength. The wolf fell down, dizzy and fainted. Rohan's father took Rohan home, carrying him in a trance. Seeing him in this condition, his mother started crying. Rohan cried out to his mother, trembling, "I'm sorry. I will never disobey again." His mother hugged him and said, "We scold you because we love you. The forest is beautiful but also dangerous." From that day on, Rohan never disobeyed his parents. So dear children, what do we learn from this story? One is that always obey your parents, their rules keep you safe. They love you and want to protect you. And the second is that we should not be afraid of danger but face it bravely. Dear children, now is the time to learn words. Learn some words along with the story. Repeat with us. Jump, jump. Run, run. Slowly, slowly.